Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add QR codes to any WordPress website for free, including pages, posts, WooCommerce products, and even custom links. We'll be using one of the most powerful QR code plugins available, QR Code Composer, and you'll learn everything step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, add new right arrow, search QR Code Composer. Look for the plugin called QR Code Composer and click Install, right arrow, activate. That's it, the plugin is now ready to use. QR Code Composer is one of the most complete QR code plugins available for WordPress. Here, what makes it so powerful? It automatically generates QR codes for every page, post, and WooCommerce product. And the best part, most of these features are available completely free. Let's see how automatic QR codes work. Go to QR Composer, right arrow, auto display in your dashboard. Here you can enable QR codes for WordPress pages, blog posts, WooCommerce products, any custom post type. Once enabled, the plugin will automatically show a QR code at the end of your content. Now go to any page or post, right arrow, refresh, and you'll see the QR code instantly. Perfect for quick sharing and scanning. You can create custom QR codes for URLs, text, numbers, email, phone, WhatsApp, anything. If you want more control, the plugin includes powerful shortcodes. Here are some examples. Current page QR code, custom link QR code, phone number QR code, WhatsApp QR code, vCard QR code. Just paste these shortcodes anywhere, inside posts, pages, widgets, or builders, and your QR code will appear. Inside every page, post, or product editor, you'll find a QR code meta box. This shows an auto-generated QR code for that exact URL. If you're running WooCommerce, this plugin becomes even more powerful. You can show QR codes on product pages, in customer dashboard, as vCard for customers, in product meta boxes, at up to 4 positions on product pages. This is perfect for product sharing, easy ordering, and scanning in physical shops. You can fully customize how your QR codes look. Choose between circular QR codes, square QR codes, light or dark themes, custom colors, pop-up display, download-only mode. This makes your QR codes match your brand design instead of looking plain and generic. If you use Elementor, you're going to love this. Search for the widget called QR Code Composer inside Elementor. From here you can insert a QR code for the current page, create custom QR codes, style them visually, all without shortcodes, super simple. And that's how you add stylish, customizable QR codes to your WordPress website completely free using QR Code Composer. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.